Hello and welcome to another response vehicle lighting video. Today I'm going to show you the RA102 reversing alarms. There's two versions. One comes with the Broadband sound, which is the -BB, and the second is the white noise -WN version. They're both identical apart from the sound they produce. Both stud connectors are positive and then an earth. Two mounting locations on the back. On the bottom, and two on the back. Epoxy resin filled, so there's an IP67 waterproof rating on these. 10 to 80 volts DC and EC R10 approved. I'll just show you the difference in sound. So this should be the Broadband, and this one is the white noise. And they both come with a free sticker for the dashboard.